this video, I want to look at the option of doing an alternate assembly. This allows us to do different views of an assembly in and out, in this case, which is the cylinder. So at the moment we have set up a range, so the mate option here is set between 93 and 127. Now, if we leave it with this, we're not going to be able to do our alternate positions. So what I'll do is I'll go in and just change that to a fixed offset. So here's our mate with the floating. So let's change that to a fixed and set it at the out motion of 127, and then come out of there. So for the first stage of this, we need to go and save the file. Then once it's saved, we come into our family of assemblies, which should be sort of stuck in the side here. So we can pin that out, and we need to go into the family of assemblies new option, and we need to create an alternate positions assembly. And we give the two alternate positions names. So I'm just going to go simply out and in. So if we go to our tool settings, we can find the variables, and each of those relationships has a variable associated with it. So we highlight the whole row, and we can then add that in here. So for the in, we said we wanted that to be 93. And then if we look at the out, you'll see that it's adjusting to the positions that we want. So again, let's just save this. And then if I go and create a new drawing of active model, you'll see that we have our two members. So for the first instance, I want to show the in as the primary, and we can have an alternate position. So basically there will be one overlaid against the other one. So we go next, and I want to just go in and change the orientation on that. So I'm going to go to custom setting, and then I can rotate that view to landscape, so that's going to better fit the window drawing sheet that we have. So we go OK on there, and then just scroll out, and you can see that we have the two positions. So the primary one is in, and the secondary one is out. Alternatively, what we can do is we can also show them separately. So if we go back to our view wizard, go OK, we can show the primary one as being in, and go next. And again, I'm going to need to rotate this drawing view. And again, I'm going to just zoom out a fraction. So I will place that one there. And then, as I said, I want to show it again. So I've just gone back to my view wizard, and we'll go out as the primary. And again, I need to rotate this. And just go OK. And then I can place that over here, so you can sort of see the difference. Just for making things look quite right, we've got the option in here to create alignment. I'm going to use key points, change to vertical, which will give me a better result. and as you can see, they sort of align up, and then you can do some dimensions between the two to show how they relate to each other.